If you want to customize always on display on POCO M8, open the settings for the first. Now we have to scroll down and go into the personalization and always on display. So first of all, as you can see, we can find a lot of default presets. So if you want to quickly apply some preset, you have to just tap on this, and in this specific one, we can only turn off the battery and notifications indicators, and it will look like this. And you have to click apply. But if you want to change some more options, like for example, when we pick this one, or maybe that's not a good example because we don't have this time, but here, as you can see in this clock, we can actually change the color of time and the date. So if I'm gonna pick the red one, as you can see, the time and the date and the battery indicator has changed. But also we are able to set a custom photo or picture into our always in display by scrolling down and selecting image from our gallery. Now we can scale this picture, and here we can even change the clock position up and down, or we can just completely turn it off, which is actually useless for me. And now when you go at the top, you can also turn off that battery saver feature, because when you stay with that option, your always on display will be turned off every time when you are using the battery saver. So we have to keep that in your mind. And yeah, that's how we can actually personalize the always in display on POCO M8 step by step.